Hello, my name is Dr. Michael Davis, and I'm the Medical Director of Easy Sleep Club in Modesto, California. I would like to speak to you, our patients and referring partners, regarding the recent recall of Philips Respironics sleep apnea equipment. This includes the machines such as the CPAP and BiPAP devices, which we use for the determination of pressure settings and treatment of sleep apnea. Easy Sleep is aware of this recall and is taking corrective actions to alleviate some of these issues caused by this recall. It should be noted that this was a voluntary recall by Philips and not mandated by the FDA. Philips is working in conjunction with recommendations from the FDA to complete the processing of the affected devices. There are some actions Easy Sleep Club has taken to mitigate this recall. The American Thoracic Society published last week, and I quote, "Consider the use of an inline bacterial filter. Easy Sleep Club has already placed inline bacterial filters in all our testing devices. As Medical Director of Easy Sleep Club, I feel it is important to continue screening, testing, and titrating patients who show symptoms of sleep apnea and not delaying their treatment, especially those with severe persistent daytime sleepiness. If you have further questions, please contact Philips Respironics directly at 877-907-7508 or at their website www.philips.com/SRC-update. Thank you.